How to animate an image in Filmora. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Filmora application and then add an image. Now in order to animate this, simply tap on the clip, then select animation from here. Now you will see several options and select whichever you want and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.